Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix mobile data not working on an Android phone. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Reset network settings. Step 1. Open the settings app on your Android phone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on system. Step 3. Tap on reset phone. Step 4. Tap on reset Wi-Fi settings. Step 5. Tap on reset network settings to confirm your action. This will reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data settings. Solution 2. Enable mobile data. Step 1. Open the settings app. Step 2. Tap on SIM and network settings. Step 3. Choose the SIM card you want to use for mobile data. Step 4. Toggle the mobile data switch on. Solution 3. Use airplane mode. Step 1. Swipe down to open the control center. Step 2. Turn airplane mode on. Step 3. Wait for few seconds, then turn airplane mode off. Solution 4. Update your software. Step 1. Open the settings app. Step 2. Swipe down and tap on system. Step 3. Tap on software update. Step 4. If an update is available, make sure to install it. Solution 5. Delete VPN. Step 1. Open the settings app. Step 2. Tap on more connections. Step 3. Tap on VPN. Step 4. If an VPN is connected, disconnect or remove it. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.